Subtracting mixed numbers. We'll be subtracting 4 1/10ths. Um, we'll have 4 1/10ths minus 2 5/10ths. First thing we'll look at are the fractions. Can we subtract the fractions? And we cannot subtract the 5/10ths from a 1/10 because this is too small. So I'm going to borrow. I'll borrow 1 from the 4. It becomes a 3. And the 1 that I borrow goes next to the 1/10. And I bring down my negative 5, negative 2, 5/10. Okay. Now, I'm going to turn this mixed number right here into an improper by multiplying and then adding. So 10 times 1 plus 1. So 10 times 1 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. So that's 11 all over 10. And I'm going to bring down my 3, bring down my negatives, my 2, my 5, and my 10. Okay. Now I can subtract my fractions. So 11/10 minus 5/10 leaves 6/10. And 3 minus 2 will leave 1. Now, you notice the 6/10 is not simplified. We can divide these both by 2. So once I divide these both by 2, I will get 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 1 3/5. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, I cannot subtract the 5/12 from a 1/12. It's too small, so I need to borrow. I'm going to borrow 1 from the 3. Makes it a 2, and the 1 that I borrow will go next to the 1/12 minus the 1 5/12. All right, now I'm going to combine my mixed number here and make it into an proper fraction. So 12 times 1 and then plus 1. 12 times 1 is going to be 12, plus 1 more is going to be 13. So this will be 13 over 12. The 2 comes down, the negative, the 1, and the 5/12 also comes down. Okay, now I can subtract my fractions. 13/12 minus 5/12 will give me 8/12. And the whole numbers, 2 take away 1, leaves us with 1. Now, 8/12 can be simplified further by dividing by 4. 4 is the greatest common factor between the 8 and the 12. So we'll divide by 4 and simplify this. Okay. So divided by 4, we'll get 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So this simplifies to a 1 2/3. Okay. Here, we're going to subtract these mixed numbers. First, you start with your fractions. You cannot subtract 11/15 from a 2/15. 2/15 is too small. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to borrow 1 from the 8 and place the 1 next to the 2/15s. So this becomes 7 plus 1 2/15 minus the 4, 11/15. We're going to combine this mixed number, the 1 2/15, so it becomes an improper fraction. We're going to multiply and add. 15 times 1 plus 2 more. 15 times 1 is 15, plus 2 more is 17. over 15. The 7 comes down, the minus 4 comes down, and the 11/15. Now I'm going to subtract my fractions. 17/15 minus 11/15 will leave us 6/15. Next, the whole number is 4 minus 7 leaves us with 3. Okay. 6/15 can be simplified because they both can be divided by the greatest common factor of 3. So this simplifies to 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 5 divided by 3 is 5.